Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at this poem called My Mother Took Me Skating by Jack Paletsky. I want you guys to think about this question. Have you ever tried something new and felt a little clumsy or unsure at first? Maybe you fell, made some mistakes, or didn't do it perfectly right away. And if your answer is yes, that's fine because that's something everyone experiences when learning. In today's poem, we'll see an example of exactly that. So this poem is for ages 6 to 11, so it's going to be from 1st to 5th grade. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to read it first and then we'll get into the annotating. Alright. My mother took me skating and we glided on the ice. I wasn't very good at it and I stumbled more than twice. My mother made a figure 8, and since it seemed like fun, I tried a little trick myself and made a figure 1. So first I'm going to start off with stanza. So stanza is a group or lines in a poem that look like a paragraph. So in this poem there is 2 stanzas. This is stanza 1 and this is stanza 2. So in this poem there's no consistency. It's kind of more like a loose rhyme. So it's going to be A, B, C, B, and then the second stanza is gonna be D, E, F, and E. Okay, our next term is rhyme. So rhyme is when words sound the same at the end. So in this poem, we see ice and twice. Both rhyme because they sound the same at the end. And then fun and 1. The third term is imagery. There's a couple different imagery in this poem which I really liked. We see glided on ice. This is imagery because we can imagine smooth skating, glided, something smooth, kind of like when you're spreading butter on toast. It's just gliding with the knife, nice and smooth. And then also when we see figure 8 and figure 1, we can imagine the shape on the ice, which I will pop up on the screen so you guys can see what that looks like. Figure 8 versus figure 1. This word right here, stumbled, is just, this word just means to trip or fall over when you're doing something new. Like in this poem, they are skating and they're not really good at it, but that's okay because they're still learning. Alright, and then last term is humor. So humor means something is funny or makes us laugh. So in this poem, in the second stanza, it says, my mother made a figure 8. Since it seemed like fun, I tried a little trick myself and made a figure 1. This just shows humor because they seen their mother do it, so they thought they could do it, but they only ended up doing a figure 1, which shows that they're still learning. So it brings a little bit of humor, something more playful to the poem, which I really like. So I'm gonna leave you guys with this. Next time you try something new, pay attention to your experience. You might see it like a poem.